very good morning to everybody. My name is Tarun Kumar and I'm working as a general manager in exploration, looking for oil and gas, entire India. And presently I'm posted at Mumbai, working at BKC. My office is in BKC. So this is all about me. My daughter Anushka Shastri is here. She is learning very well in Golden Epaulettes for the last 2 months. I think it's almost completed. Yeah. My daughter is preparing for Indigo CPP for FTA Australia. It's fantastic. Even before joining the Golden Epaulettes, she went through all those reviews kind of thing through net. And she used to tell me, Papa, when jab bhi hum jayenge, to I'll go to Golden Epaulettes only. So I used to tell her, let us see other institutions also. So I also visited other institutions, but what I found is one of the best places for any of the person who wanted to become a pilot. Everything is okay. What can I say? The best part of this Golden Epaulettes, the teaching of the people. You people are so supporting, as such knowledgeable people. The great team here, and she is very happy, and I am also very happy and very much comfortable. Before joining Golden Epaulettes, I was not that much comfortable. I don't know, because this industry is very unique, and becoming a pilot is a unique thing. So she will be, I think, very first person in my entire family to become a pilot. So she is learning very well, and thanks to entire team of the Golden Epaulettes for your support, your guidance, and your teachings. It was a fantastic experience with A320 Cockpit. Very first time I had been to there, and I saw each and every part. People were flying there, the students, and I had a great experience, no doubt. I'm very fortunate to be here at this time in Golden Epaulettes. All the best to Golden Epaulettes people. Thank you.